Finished goods are products or end items that are sold as a complete item or unit. These items are commonly subject to a customer order, sales order, or purchase order that is linked directly to a customer. Finished goods and products are an extension of your inventory. They are materials or products that have reached a point in either the manufacturing or transformative process where they are available for consumption. You can calculate finished goods using a formula that will also help create an inventory ratio, which determines the value of your goods for sale. Finished goods inventory is generally considered a short-term asset. Short-term assets are expected to sell in less than a year, as opposed to long-term assets, which are typically investments that will be kept for longer than a year. Let's look at an example of finished goods. Finished goods are based on a number of different criteria that are specific to a company. For example, Care Bear Cafe is a company that bakes different types of cookies, cakes, and pastries. While the cafe's finished goods are the baked goods that are complete and ready to be sold, the assets that contribute to the finished goods include various ingredients for baking, cookware, and any labor needed to produce the finished goods. Another example might be a car manufacturer. The car manufacturer's finished goods would include the end item car or items that are available directly to the consumer. You may be thinking, how do I calculate the total amount of finished goods inventory? Well, let's take a look. Calculating your finished goods inventory can help you better understand the assets that you have on hand. In addition, it can help reveal waste and allow you to assess where you stand in terms of profits. Performing an analysis of product input versus product output can give you a clear view of mismatches in input and output balance, as well as make sure that inventory is not being produced at a quicker rate than it can be sold. One more benefit with regards to calculating finished goods is that it prevents selling items that are not in stock or available for orders. You're probably wondering, what is the formula? The formula is cost of goods manufactured minus cost of goods sold plus previous period finished goods, and that will equal finished goods inventory. Let's look at an example from Care Bear's Cafe. Let's say that Care Bear's Cafe bakes $2,000 in delicious treats. Let's then say they sell $1,000 worth of treats. Now, on the previous day, the cafe finds that they had $500 in treats. Working with our formula, we apply the following: $2,000 in cost of goods manufactured minus $1,000 in cost of goods sold equals $1,000. Now we must add the finished goods inventory from the previous period, which was $500. That means that Care Bear's Cafe currently has $1,500 in finished goods inventory. Keep in mind that templates for any equation are available in either the resource section, assignments, or the description of the video. Managing inventory can be quite complex, especially as finished goods inventory grows. For these types of situations, you may consider looking into inventory management software. You now know what finished goods inventory is, why it's beneficial to calculate, and a formula that you can use to calculate your finished goods inventory. Don't forget that a template is available in the resource section, assignment section, or the description of this video, so check it out. Also, we'd like to leave you with a fun little challenge. You can answer the question in the community, comments, or upcoming assignments. Assuming you have $5,000 in cost of goods manufactured, $3,000 in cost of goods sold, and your previous period's finished goods inventory totaled $250, what would your finished goods inventory be? Share your answer in the community, comments, or upcoming assignments, and we will see you in the next video. Bye now.